Hey guys, this video is brought to you by Privacy.Comm. They let you buy things online using virtual cards instead of real ones, so it protects your identity, and that is awesome. So I'm going to be sharing more about that later on in this video because I did get some new fall decor, and I'm going to try and link what I can, and you guys might want to do some online shopping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fall decorate and clean with me. So I put up all of my spring, summer decor, and I got down all my fall, and plus I bought some new stuff that I can't wait to show you. It's different and I'm obsessed with it. I do need to get a little bit more, but you guys will see what I did get in this video, and it is so pretty and it is so me. We'll see in a minute why it is me. But yeah, I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. If you are new here, I would love to have you take a minute and just hit that red subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday, and I do a lot of cleaning motivation and cleaning routines and decorating type videos. So if you like this video and you want to see more, I would really love to have you hit that subscribe button. It helps to support my channel so I can keep bringing you guys content like this.
Fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
So I know it is a little early to decorate for fall. Right now it is August 18th, I think, as I recorded this, and I'm doing this voiceover, but I wanted to do it a little bit early so that I could inspire you guys, because I know a lot of people are thinking about that now and getting ready for it. So I wanted to get this out for you so that you can maybe get some ideas and kind of see what the stores have out there. And I will definitely be sharing anything that I continue to find in the stores on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there.
I need you tonight. Together we can go crazy. We can put out the lights. Together we can go, we can go. I look straight in your eyes, and everything is so hazy. It is just you and I, and everything is so, so call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy.
So that little thing that I just put into my garbage disposal is by Plink, and it's just a drain refresher. I usually use the Plinks, which my Walmart has been out of forever. I need to find them or order them on Amazon. And then I also use the Glisten garbage disposal cleaners, and I'm also out of those. So I was just using those, but it's just a little tablet. It dissolves and it makes your drain or your garbage disposal smell really fresh.
Of a kind. Nobody's breaking your spirit. You're looking so fine. Nobody's breaking your. You're keeping up with steps I take, so we just dance alone. Yeah, we dance like no one's watching. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you where I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night.
So if you're wondering what's going on with my phone, I was talking to my friends Mackenzie and Mandy from Mandy in the Making and Carla McKenzie. They are some of my really, really good friends, and I've met them via YouTube, but I've actually got to meet Mackenzie in person and hopefully soon Mandy, but I feel like I've known her for my whole life because we talk almost daily. But I was on Marco Polo talking with them, so that is what you see me doing with my phone. I'm using this 7th generation wood cleaner. Okay, so this is the second time that I've tried a product from them, and I was really disappointed. I tried some of their cleaners a couple of years ago and they smelled terrible. I just hated them. I was really sad because I wanted to like them so much and I just didn't. So I saw this and I thought I would give them another try because maybe it was just that product that I didn't like. So I bought this wood cleaner. It's supposedly made from 100% essential oils and all of that good stuff, but it does smell good. But it is terrible. I absolutely hate it. I can't even finish up the product. I'm not even going to be able to do that. It left streaks on my wood. It made it look really dry. I think here in a little bit when I'm doing the coffee tables, you'll kind of be able to see what I'm talking about. But once I was finished cleaning and filming, I looked at my tables and I ended up re-cleaning them with something else because they looked awful. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be buying any more of the 7th generation products. I've just not had a good experience with them at all.
You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me.
So I got out my fall decor, and this is what I had from previous years, last year's and such, and I have a lot that I'm not using this year. I kind of wanted to get away from the like traditional orange colors because I found this new decor at Biglots, and it is the floral stuff, and it's got like the pinks and the burgundies and the flowers, and I'm obsessed with floral stuff, so it was so me and I couldn't pass it up. So I'm using here more of my whites and my neutral colors and my blues and kind of mixing that in with my new stuff, and I am going to be getting some more. Hopefully I'm going to try to find some more to match because I don't have a whole lot, but I was trying to incorporate what I could from my old decor in with the new, and you'll see that. But you'll see right there the flowers next to that white pumpkin. That's one of the things. It's just so beautiful and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna have links for what I can find for you guys in the description box, and I'm gonna talk some more about how you can shop online and protect your like credit card number and all that good stuff, because I know a lot of people kind of avoid shopping online because of that reason, for fear of having their stuff stolen, which I have had done several times and it is no fun. So definitely stay tuned for that because I have some good information for you there.
I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me, so keep on there's no one to blame. I'm not letting it fade. So don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep on going. We got good things coming our way. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you will be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I, you and I. Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to, as long as I can spend the day with you, day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again?
Okay, so now I'm going to tell you guys about privacy.com. So if you're do online shopping, which most of us do these days, I know I do, and I'm going to have some links for you guys in the description, so you're probably going to want to do a little online shopping when you are done with this video. But if you head on over to privacy.com, you can sign up over there. It's super easy. You'll download the Chrome extension, and basically they give you these dummy card numbers, so you're not putting in your actual card information, because merchants can actually share that information with their data partners, and then there's obviously hackers, which I've had happen, and it's no fun. So they make up these dummy card numbers for you, and they are hack proof. You're not putting your information out there. It saves you time during checkout because the extension is right there, so you're just going to click on it and add in that dummy card, and you're completely safe. And it can actually help you to control your subscription services and reoccurring payments. So if you have like Netflix or Hulu or things like that, you can actually organize that in there as well. You can set spending limits at certain stores. So like I was showing there at Kirkland's, I put a $100 limit, so it's not going to let you spend more than that. So it helps you to stay on track when you're doing that online shopping. Privacy.com is held to the same security standards as your bank, so they are secured using military-grade encryption, which means that your information is encrypted using split-key encryption, so that way no single person can access your information. It's also great for when you're doing like free trials of services and stuff, because you can put this card in there and put a limit. So say you forget to cancel something before your free trial's up, they're not going to be able to charge you on your bank account or with your bank card like you would normally use, because you've set that limit with privacy.com. So it's great for using it for certain things like that as well. And again, I will have the link for that in the description box. So now I'm just vacuuming the floors and I'm going to mop them really quick. I'm using my Dyson V11. I love it so much. It's amazing. It does great on carpet. It does great on the hardwood floors. I have 2 dogs. Bailey sheds crazy and it picks up her hair no problem. So if you've been thinking about getting one of these Dyson cordless vacuums, I highly recommend. I've had the V6, I've had the V8, and I have the V11. The only reason I don't have the V8 anymore is because it's actually upstairs and I use it upstairs because I love it so much. I went ahead and got the newer one. So I'm using my Hurricane Spin Mop and some Pine Sol and hot water to do my floors today. I just wanted to get it done really quick and this is fast for me, so that's what I'm doing.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and leave me a comment if you are new. I would love to say hello, or you can just leave me a comment to say hello anyways, even if you're not new. And I want to thank Privacy.com again for sponsoring today's video. And hey, if you check out the description box, I'll have that link for you guys down there. And if you go and click that link, you're going to get $5 off your first purchase. So that's pretty cool. So definitely check it out if you're interested in keeping your information safe and secure while doing some online shopping. So I will see you guys in my next video.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one